Hey Drew tubers and fams, it's Drew. Welcome back to my variety channel, California Pickin'. Hey, I'm gonna get right to this story of this American Airlines pilot reporting something cylindrical flying right over his head, guys. As he's flying up there, he asked the control tower, "Are there any targets up here?" I'll just let you hear the sound recording yourself.
Have any targets up here? We just had something go right over the top of us that, I hate to say this, looked like a long cylindrical object that almost looked like a cruise missile type of thing moving really fast. It went right over the top.
So yeah, that's the recording from American Airlines, and it's been confirmed. He reported it as being shaped or reminded him like a cruise missile. But here's some other photographs of other known cylindrical UFOs that have been reported. Just gonna scroll through here. There might be a couple fakes in here, but like, what is that? What is this? Way up in the clouds and sometimes vertical? What can do that? Anyways, it's an amazing story, and it's been reported on several news services. This is a real hot topic. Cylindrical, cigar-shaped UFOs. There was a rash of sightings of these around the turn of the century, around 1890, 1900. All right, guys, hope you liked it. Hit like and subscribe. I'll do a follow-up if we find out more about this story on cigar-shaped UFOs. Cheers now.